Hello everyone, my name is Cedric Lentunuan. I am currently the chef and ako po yung nagmamanage sa Pets Boluluan po ngayon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
By the way, sir, when in Baguio pala, sir. By the way, my name is Gab po and ito ang katuloy po ng aming Support the Local Vlogs. Yes, sir. Matanong ko lang, sir, since sikat na sikat itong Baguio, dito sa Baguio ang Pets, saan po nanggaling yung pangalan na Pets?
Nanggaling po ang pangalan po ni Pets originally to my father. Pangalan po ng father ko po is Peter. So parang pinangalan niya po itong restaurant po under his name, which is created the name Pets Boluluan.
Ang napansin ko, isa sa sikat nilang sinabawan na meal is yung bulalo.
Yes po.
Yes, sir. And confirm ko lang kung ano yung mga ibang sinaserve pa nilang sabaw, sir.
We also serve other Cordilleran dishes like papaitan, pinikpikan, and also well-known po na ibang soup po dito sa Baguio. And also, one of our best sellers is Silet Sungo. Silet Sungo is known for like mix if that makes sense. And also one of our best seller is pork sisig. Isa po siya sa mga well-known po na lagi pong in-order po ng customers namin through When in Baguio, through deliveries, and also dito po sa dining area po namin.
Pansin ko nga, sir, yung mga taga-locals talaga, through word of mouth.
Yes po.
Oo, sa mga tourists, sinasabi nila, uy, try nyo dito sa Pets. Hindi kayo mabibitin dito.
Yes.
Kasi nga, yung serving is napakalaki talaga.
Yes.
Ano yung nag-inspire dito sa Pets na ito? Para simulan itong company, I mean, itong kainan na ito.
From what I understand po sa sinabi po ng father ko po noon, my father is a cook po way back po sa Korea. He is serving foods like pulutan, mga ganun po sa mga Korean customers and also Filipinos. Nagkaroon po siya ng inspiration po na gumawa po ng Philippine foods, most like Northern taste or Cordilleran taste. Doon po nag-umpisa po. Actually, hindi po kami ganun ka-authentic, but we use Korean spices and also different spices po sa mga seasonings po namin and also to our soups.
Kaya pala, yung last time na kumain ako dito, may iba siyang distinct flavor.
Yes po.
Kung i-compare mo sa ibang sisigan din
Yes
dyan.
po.
Ano yung mga challenges nung nag-start pa lang itong kainan na ito?
One of our hardest challenges before, nung maalala ko pa po, is yung especially how to introduce po itong sabawan, kasi sobrang liit pa lang po ng space po noon, and malaking struggle din po sa amin noon yung road widening, which is sumisikip po ng sumisikip and lagi po masasarado yung daan. And isa po sa pinakamalaking struggle po na na-encounter po namin before po is paano po namin makip yung sabaw po namin to be like served as fresh, hot, kasi ang pagluluto po namin kasi is required po ngayon po siya na malalakihang batch. And way back before, our struggle is we don't have that much customer than ngayon po na nakukonsume po yung ano. So usually natatapon na po namin yung sabaw within the day, tapos magagawa na naman po ng bago.
Nung din po, since nagkaroon tayo ng crisis noon regarding sa pandemic, ano yung mga way or paraan para na-overcome nyo since medyo matumal po tayo noon?
Isang way po na na-overcome po namin po noon is through deliveries. We ourselves deliver to our customer and also partnership with When in Baguio. Isa po yun sa malaki pong tumulong po sa amin to reach our customers, especially po hindi bawal pong lumabas, bawal po makipag-interact with other people. So When in Baguio help us a lot, especially with our deliveries, meets our customers' expectation, mga ganun.
How has your business changed you as a person?
I don't consider this as my business, but rather I'm managing it. But if I would answer the question, has it changed me as a person? Actually, yes. Because if I see this restaurant, the way it changed me is that I want to serve people with warm soup, the way their family, their friends, their mga co-workers, mga ganun po, like to nakikahalubilo, kumakain po sila within that one table, the smile, the satisfaction, the good feedback that we receive, sir, po is isa po yun sa nagpabago po sa perspective ko na I want to continue into this industry and I want to serve more people who brings smile, who brings laughter into this restaurant.
Ano yung mga gustong-gusto, yung naantigo ang puso sa mga customer, bakit sila pabalik-balik dito?
I think isa po sa mga nagugustuhan po ng mga customer po dito is especially our sabaw. Our sabaw po is unlimited and also our servings. Ang servings po namin is good for 2 to 3 persons actually, depende po sa kakain. And also the unique Cordilleran dishes fusion with Korean spices and also Filipino taste.
Ano po yung masasabi nyo sa tradisyong pamamaraan nyo sa pagluluto ng products po nyo?
Actually, they always say that we do it in authentic way, but let me clear about that. We do it in authentic way depending into our product, especially within our Cordilleran dishes like papaitan, pinikpikan. We do it in a very traditional way, but in some others, we do improve into our soups, like hindi lang po siya nag-i-stay po sa ganun. We still stick po sa, syempre dahil po nasa Baguio tayo, we still stick to northern taste with the same time nag-i-improve po yung lasa niya from time to time po na pwede po namin po explore.
Dun sa ating product, sir, may plano rin po silang mag-add ng bago in the future or any po, no? Hindi lang sa meals, meron tayong mga desserts,
Yes,
may
po.
balak rin po ba sila mag-add?
Actually, in the future, yes. We are considering that po na baka po mag-expand po kami ng mga menus soon. But at the moment po, hindi po muna namin siya magagawa. It would be a really surprise to our customers, especially in also online deliveries. So look forward to it.
May balak rin po ba sila magdagdag ng kanilang branch?
Yes, hopefully in this coming years, we're already planning to have branch kung papalarin po ng Panginoon o na mabigyan po kami ng maganda pong location and also at the same time preferable to us and also to our customers, then yes, I would love to expand our locations.
Okay, sir. So, parang pinaplano nyo, sir, hindi lang dito sa Baguio.
Yes po.
If you could describe your business and food in one message, ano po yung masasabi nyo?
If I would describe my food in one message, I think I would say it's a place of comfort. Our soup and our food represents warmth. Our restaurants represents memory, and I would also describe it as tipong pwede mong balikan, pwede mong tambayan, pwede mong ulit-ulitin na pupuntahan.
All-time favorite.
Yes po.
Ako personally, ang favorite ko dito is yung anong ba natin eh, Sungo.
Yes po.
Sungo ang favorite ako dito.
I know way back before, for all those years po na nagsiserve po kami, we made a mistake, we fail, but I am confident to say this po na we are trying to improve po kung ano man po yung mga pagkakamali po namin, yung mga past failures po namin, and I wanted to apologize for what happened on those years way back before. 2 years and 2 months or 2 days to come, we are trying to improve and we're giving our best, not only to give our exceptional service and to also pour the love with our food.
Yes, sir.